To transfer your health savings account to Fidelity, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you should contact your current HSA provider and ask about their transfer process. They may have specific requirements or procedures that you need to follow. Next, you will need to open a new HSA account at Fidelity. You can do this by visiting the Fidelity website and following the online application process. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application. Once your new account is open, you can initiate the transfer process. You can do this by contacting Fidelity and asking them to send a transfer request to your current HSA provider. You will need to provide Fidelity with some information about your current account, including the account number and the name of the provider. Your current HSA provider will then transfer the funds to Fidelity. This process can take several days or weeks, depending on the provider. You should check with Fidelity regularly to confirm that the transfer has been completed. It is also important to consider any potential fees or penalties associated with transferring your HSA. Some providers may charge a fee for transferring funds out of an account, so you should check with your current provider before initiating the transfer. In addition to transferring your existing HSA balance, you may also want to set up automatic contributions to your new Fidelity HSA account. This can help you continue to save for medical expenses on a tax-free basis. Overall, transferring your HSA to Fidelity can be a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and considering any potential fees or penalties, you can successfully transfer your account and continue to save for your healthcare needs.